Hi everyone, I just wanted to share with you this June swap for bag toppers that I am in with my Scrapbook Loft, and her and Donna Dreams times 3. They alternate months and they do different swaps, and this one was a bag topper, and I thought I would check to see if they do international, and they did. Or they will. So I was super excited and said, well, I need to participate and try and create something, and this is what I created. So this bag topper I did on my Cricut, and there was a design that that you can get on my design space. I did not create it myself. So I did this, cut it off with this template, and then I just made the image a little bit larger, and then I used gold foil so that I could have it as a little bit more of a rim on it, so it would just stand out a little bit more. Then I put this trim here that has little mini pom-poms on it. And on here, this stuff, a little sticky here, it comes off. I just did the flower. There's two different flowers on there, and I just popped them up, making them dimensional. And I just glued the one piece on top of the other. And then I used white eyelash trim. That stuff's, you can't really find that much here in Nova Scotia. Well, I haven't found it at all. I had to order it on Etsy, and it came from out west in Canada. And then so I added that on there, and then I just put this little pink flower that I got from Michael's. Love these flowers. They're such brilliant colors. They're really amazing. And then I just did the same on the back. I just didn't put the trim on, just so you can tell the front from the back, or you can switch it if you really wanted to. And then I created a bag for the bag topper. So all I did was I used a paper pad, Sunday morning, this beautiful paper pad, and that's what I used for the top. And then I just did again the gold foil on the back, and then you'll see in a Dollarama haul that I'm going to share soon. I got these from Dollarama. They're really cute, and I got them in multiple colors. So I put the light pink eyelash trim underneath, layered it with these little guys. I can't remember what they're called. And then I got this flower from Tammy's Creative Cards and Crafts. I actually won one of her little giveaways, and this was one of the embellishments that was in the very beautiful box that she created. And so I added that on there, and that's what I'm going to send to them. And I just thought I would share with you quickly to show you what I created for bag toppers. I hope you guys are having a wonderful evening, and I will see you soon. Bye.